गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। और न्यू टॉपिक इज एनिमल किंगडम। हम इस चैप्टर में टाइप्स ऑफ एनिमल पढ़ेंगे। देयर आर मैनी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एनिमल्स इन द वर्ल्ड अराउंड अस। एनिमल्स अराउंड द वर्ल्ड कैन बी ग्रुप्ड इनटू टू मेजर टाइप्स डिपेंडिंग ऑन द absence और प्रेजेंस ऑफ द बैकबोन। टू ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड किया गया है एनिमल्स को। फर्स्ट ग्रुप में वो एनिमल्स रखे गए हैं जिसके बैकबोन होती है, और सेकेंड ग्रुप में वो एनिमल्स रखे गए हैं जिसकी बैकबोन नहीं होती है। एनिमल्स विथ बैकबोन। एनिमल्स दैट हैव बैकबोन आर कॉल्ड वर्टिब्रेट्स। फिश, birds, amphibians, reptiles, and mammals come under this group as they have a backbone. Fish. Different types of fish live in rivers, ponds, and oceans. They have scales covering their bodies. They have gills to breathe underwater. A fish takes in water through the mouth. Birds. Birds are animals with backbone. They have feathers covering their body, wings for flight, and a beak to eat food. They usually lay eggs. Most birds like crow, sparrow, and parrot can fly. They breathe in air through nostril and have lungs and air sac for the respiration. Amphibians. Amphibians are animals that can live in water as well as on land. They lay their eggs in water. Amphibians can breathe through lungs as well as their frogs and toads are examples of amphibians. Reptiles. Reptiles mainly live on land. Their bodies are covered with hard, dry scales. They lay their eggs on land. Reptiles breathe through their lungs. Mammals. Mammals give birth to their young ones. Their bodies are covered with hair or fur. Mammals feed their young ones with milk. They breathe through their nose. The air inhaled is taken to the lungs. Animals without backbone. Animals such as spiders, crabs, jellyfish, insects, starfish, worms, and cockroaches do not have a backbone. They are called invertebrates. Movement in animals. Animals move from one place to another to find food, shelter, or to escape from their enemies. Movement in invertebrates. Animals like crabs and spiders use their legs to move. Worms such as earthworm have a body made up of segments which contract and expand to help them move. Many insects can fly because they have wings. All insects have 3 pairs of legs that they use to walk, run, crawl, or move. Movement in vertebrates. Different types of movement are seen in different vertebrates. Fish have fins and a powerful tail to move in water. Amphibians like frogs use their webbed feet to swim in water. Reptiles such as lizards and crocodiles use their 4 short limbs to crawl on the ground. Birds have wings to fly. They have 2 legs with which they can rest or hoop on the ground. Some birds such as the emu, ostrich, and kiwi cannot fly at all. They have strong and powerful legs that help them to run fast.